Hi team, welcome back to my channel. In last video we saw send request policy, set variable policy and choose when policy. We are using if else condition in our C# and currently in our APIM we have choose when policy. And for set variable, whatever I am getting in URL, I was setting that to a variable that you can see here. I am setting that to a variable, and for this I am using set variable policy. And also we saw send request policy and method was get. In this video we will see send request policy with send body, and also the method will be post, and also we will set our header, and we will pass our header from caller to backend using send request policy. Okay, let's deep dive into it. There was hosted one create coupon API, and here it is taking body parameter, and also you can see in header it have accept JSON content, content type, and content type it's application JSON. These two we will set it in our body, and currently I am directly using that API, and here what I did, I just set content type accept whatever we have in our API. You can see in free app API. Here you can see the endpoint performs authentication and authorization check to ensure that all users with the admin role can access it. Okay, for that reason we have set another header authorization. In authorization we have to set our token for that, which we will generate a token and post it to authenticate. Okay, and inside the body you can see, let me show you the design. Okay, inside design you can see I have rewrite URL, and I am referring to that API URL. For that you can see I am referring to that API URL, and currently let's test it. And okay, let me copy whatever token I have generated. Okay, I have copied my token, and let's select body. I'll just take this body, and I will change some dates. Okay, date was before this, for that it won't create any what I can say, create any coupon, and then I will just change the date to 6, and season sale offer. Okay, let me post the value. Okay, it is saying get 600 already exist. What we will do, we will just 600 to 700, and discount value will be 700. Minimum card value we will check it to 1000, and it created the token. And currently as we are using a rewrite URL, so we have to change it to send request. Okay, let's take send request, and mode will be new. As yesterday I set response variable to capture all the response, and time here we will take as 300, and we will set to false, and that let me take that URL. I'll just copy whole URL, and here it will be post. And method, we have to set method, so I'll just check what method it is taking. Accept and override, and from value what I will do, I will just take that value from my header, whatever I will pass it. So for that I will create an C# code. Then for that I have to create @ and then moon braces, typecast it to string. So for that reason I create the string, and we will take that from header. So to take that from header, we'll set context dot from request we will take dot headers. Okay, and we'll get that value or default value. Header name will be whatever we have given. Okay, accept, or else it will take null. Instead of creating a variable, I directly set here. I will take another header that will be accept. Okay, and it will be content type, content hyphen content type, and same I will take from my color. Okay, content, and this will be C capital as I have given content, and then type T will be capital. Okay, then set body, I will directly take that body from context, and same way we will write C code. We will directly take context dot request dot body. Okay, and body as a string, so as string we will take it. Okay, then this will be body, and another header it will pass that will be authorization. Whatever authorization we will give, I will pass it to backend. Whatever the authorization token we will give, I will pass it to backend. For that reason, I will just take it as authorization. Let's save it. Okay, O will be capital. Okay, then here we will just use send request. Then inside that we will set our URL. Set method will be post, and header we have passed whatever the header we have to process to backend. For that reason, accept, content type, and authorization we have passed, and whatever the body I will provide, that body will be go as a string to our backend. Okay, and we will remove this rewrite URL because rewrite URL won't required for now. And here whatever the response coming from set request, I will send that to backend. For that reason, I have to return the response. Return response, I will remove all these and close here. And whatever will be the variable I have taken here in response, that response variable will be sent to backend to caller. Response variable, the name I will take it as, you can see whatever we have given in response, that I will take it. Okay, let's save it and test it. And here content type will be JSON, application JSON, then authorization, I will paste our authorization. Then inside body, I will paste whatever the body it is. Here we will say get flat 60. Okay, we'll give only 60% of discount, and minimum will be 70. Season sale, and type flat, and it will be 25th, and let's send it. You can see the coupon is created. Okay, I'll let trace it. What message it shows? It shows conflict. Okay, in second time as we click on trace, it will go 1 second. So for that reason I will just took it from flat 60 to 70. And let's do 70, and here I will take 70. Okay, and it will be same. Let me trace once again. Okay, it gives me created, means our coupon is created. Okay, that's all for this video. Let recap what we did today. We have created one policy, send request policy. We have used this policy, and in response variable, whatever response come from free API and e-commerce coupon, then I gave that response to one variable, response variable, and at last I am returning that response variable. And here we have set the URL method set. We have post as a method, and header also we have set 3 headers: accept, content type, and authorization. In last we have send the body, whatever I am getting from a request, I'm sending that to backend, and backend also gave us the correct response. Okay, that's all for this video. Let's meet in next video.